Well, if you're trying to figure out and diagnose a club car series cart and you want to know if your MCOR is good. Now, some of this year model, this is a 2000. Some of this year model has the V-Glide style potentiometer and some have the MCOR 1. This particular model has an MCOR 1, and I'm having intermittent throttle issues where it's just not, sometimes it goes full power and sometimes it doesn't. When you go down to maximum pedal, it's not giving me full throttle anymore. If you're wondering how to check that, the 3 pins that are on the bottom of your controller down there, if you can see them, there's 3 wires. I've got them. I've got the green and the yellow. There's 3 pins at the bottom. Pin number 3 is against the back side of the controller. It's 3, 2, 1. And if you want to check in this year model, it should be 5,000 to 0, the ohms. So I've got my leads hooked up to the green and the yellow wire. The yellow wire is in position 3, the green wire is in position 2. So I've got my leads hooked up, and at resting I'm at 7.32. This should be at 5, and as I slowly press the pedal down, I'm quarter pedal, it's barely moving. Now it's moving at halfway pedal. I've got a blank spot in there where there's nothing. It goes up again, and I'm steadily pushing the pedal down. It's very sporadic, and I'm all the way down now. It's 1.8, 2, and if I jiggle this pedal back and forth, it jumps around like 8, 6, 9, 7, 10. That should be going to 0 at full pedal. So that pedal's all the way down. I'm at 1.9. If I lift up this pedal just an inch, or just not even an inch, it's going back to 3. Halfway down, it's 4. It's supposed to be 5 to 0. And all the way out, it's at 7. So I am going to conclude that this is definitely not within the specs. I'm not going to get a cheap Amazon MCOR. I'm going to convert this over to an MCOR 4 with an OEM MCOR and a conversion kit. That's available over from David Hicks at Revolution Golf Cars. It's a little more expensive. I mean, you can buy a cheap Amazon MCOR if you want. They don't work. But I'm going to go with the OEM MCOR 4 and try to get down, from 5K to 0 like it's supposed to be, and we'll see how that affects the cart. Thanks for watching. This is Dean, and you're watching Do It with Dean.